All right, so today's lesson is 11:5, and it's counting forward from any number, okay? Any number up to 100. All right, so let's watch our video.
So even 99?
Maybe, I don't know, we'll find out.
Maybe 157?
We will see, you never know. Here it comes.
How can a 100 chart help you count from one number to another? Let's find out. What do you see?
Numbers.
Part of a 100 chart with numbers from 71 to 100. Which number is in the yellow box?
72. Very good. 72. So when it starts with 7, we say 70, right? Okay, so 72. What's the number, Alina?
72.
Good. What's this number, Caitlin?
Yes.
Very good. 72. Okay.
The number 72 is in the yellow box. How can you count forward to reach the number in the red box?
Count on. Count on.
You can count by ones. You can mark the boxes as you count. Mark an arrow in each box. The first number you count is 72. What does the arrow show?
You see what the arrow's showing? It's kind of pointing to go which direction? To the what then?
Right.
To the right. Okay, we go to the right. We don't go backwards to the left. We have to go to the right. Okay, let's see what they want us to do here. Select each row in the chart to show counting from 72. Okay, so let's click.
You begin at the start number and count 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Okay, so you see all the little arrows above each one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be kind of practicing that just to show which direction we go and which numbers we've counted. Okay, instead of just tapping each number, they want us to kind of draw those arrows in there today. Okay, now let's do this one. Keep counting.
After 80, go to the beginning of the next row and count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Okay, last row.
After 90, go to the beginning of the next row. Stop counting at 91.
Ooh, so there it says to stop at 91. Why are we stopping at 91? Why did it say to stop there, Victoria?
Because you're going to count this way now?
Well, what's different about number 91? Look at it. It's in what color?
Red.
It's red. And red means?
Stop!
Okay, so they're letting you know where to start and then where to stop. Okay? All right, so you got to make sure you pay attention to that today.
The arrow shows each number you have counted. Count forward from 72, 73, 74, 75,
count 76, 77, 78, 79,
80. When you get to the end of a row, where do you go next?
Where do you go after that, Valentina?
You go to the start of
Yeah,
the
go to the
next
start of
row.
it. Go to the next one.
81,
82, 83,
84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
90.
What do you notice about the arrows?
They're all pointing where?
There is an arrow in
To
each
the right,
box
right.
from the yellow
There's
box
one in
to
each
the
box.
red box. When counting by ones, you find the start number and count each number after it. What do you do when you get to the end of a row, like number 80?
Okay, we just kind of said that. Valentina, you tell us. Go ahead and tell us again.
We like go to the next row.
Yeah, you go to the next row, like this one right here.
Yeah.
Down here we go.
No, we go to the left bottom.
Right, okay, so when you go to the end, you go to the next row that's right below it, okay? And it'll help too, because if you know the next number when you're counting, that'll also give you a big hint where to go.
To stop.
But that, just to remember, just like when we read, right? You go from left to right, and then you go down to the next row. Left to right, go down to the next row, left to right. Make sense? Just like we do on the calendar. We finish a row, what do? we go down to the next row. Okay, and we continue with the next number. All right, very good. A lot of left to right, left to right.
You move to the beginning of the next row, number 81. On what number do you stop counting?
What number?
90.
90. Here we go.
Stop counting on
Oh,
91.
91, sorry, 91.
I said 94.
Oh, yes, I know. You guys said it. Thank you.
Now you know how to use a 100 chart to help count from one number to another.
Great job. You're good at math. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so your name should be on top of your paper. If it isn't already, go ahead and do that right now. I have everyone's name is on, so there's no names. I'm going to start having you guys write your names 10 times in a row. Yeah. You guys have got to put those names on those papers. How am I supposed to always know whose work it is? Okay? Yes, it is. So it shouldn't take long. Okay, listen carefully to what they want us to do today. All right, we're going to practice it now.
Count forward from the yellow number. Stop at the red number. Tell how many numbers you counted aloud. Color the boxes of the numbers you counted aloud to show your work.
Okay, so what number are we going to start at? Will? 48. Okay, get out your yellow crayon. Yellow crayon, please. All right. It doesn't say what color crayon we have to use, but let's start with, I like the yellow because it's easier to see the numbers. Okay? All right, so we're going to start on number 48. Okay, we're going to keep counting up and coloring the numbers after that. But where are we going to stop, Jenna? 54, because that number is in what? It's in red, so that's telling us to stop. Okay, so let me get out my yellow. All right, ready? Here we go. After 48 comes. Whoa, 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 whoa. 49. Okay, color in 49. After 49 is? 50. Okay, so 48, 49, 50. Where do I go now? Where do I go now? Caitlin? Okay, so now I'm in the row with the, they all start with 50 now with the 5. Okay, so we go to 51. What comes after 51? Finn? 52. All right, after 52, Ben? 53. Okay, and now we're going to stop on what, everyone?
54.
Very good. Okay, so that's all we had to do. All right, we just had to color and show which numbers we would count to. All the way up from 48, all the way to 54. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and lift and turn the page. All right, keep that yellow crayon handy. We're going to need it. Keep that handy. Oh boy, it's thinking today. Oh no. Oh no, it's doing it. Alright, well let's do this. Take a look at number 1. They already kind of did this one for us. Okay, what number are we starting on? Raise your hand and tell me. What number are we starting on? Okay, what? Oh no, at the bottom here, number 1. The top is from the video. We're doing number 1. What number is that? 42. Everyone put your finger on 42. Put your finger on. Okay, now they already colored the numbers first. What number are we going to stop on, Dean? In number 1. 60. So everyone start on 42. Then I want you to use your finger. We're going to move to each number. We're going to say them out loud that they colored. Ready? Here we go. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, now where do we go now after this, Victoria?
51.
Okay, so we go down to the beginning of the next row. Get your finger on 51. Let's say it. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Excellent. That's where we stop because that's in red. Okay, number 2. Since mine's not coming up yet, what number do we start on, Ben? take a look at number 2. What number is in yellow that we're going to start on? 7. So put your finger on 7. Okay, let's go ahead and let's color the numbers after that. Ready? Here we go. After 7 comes 8. Color it in. Then after that is 9. Keep coloring, Evelyn. 10. Uh-oh, we're at the end of the row. Where do we go to next, Jenna? The next row, and that starts with what number? 11. Let's keep going. So color 11. Where's 11? Go to 11. Careful, don't skip down to 21. We're going to 11. After 11 comes what, everyone? 12. Color 12. After 12 is?
13.
Good. You guys say it. After 13 is? 14. After 14? 15. Hold on. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay, where do we go after 20 now? Where do we go, Breeden? Down to the beginning of the next row. What number is that?
12.
Not 12. 20 becomes, then we go to 20. Say the whole number. 21. And after that is?
22.
Uh-oh, what is 22? Why does 22 look different, Will?
Because 22 has
It's in what color?
a red.
Red. So we need to
Stop.
stop. Okay, so we don't even have to color 21. I'm sorry, 22. 22. Okay, sorry guys, my paper is, the internet's not happy with me right now. Okay, take your paper, flip it over. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank you. Okay. Well, now let's see if it opens for us. Okay, now we're in business. Okay, so we're on number 3. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. So what number are we starting on? Raise your hand and tell me the number we're starting on. Alina, what's the number we're starting on, number 3? I should only hear Alina, right? Try it again. It starts with a 3. So we're in the 30s, right? So how do we say that? 30. And it ends with what number? Look at the one spot. 4. There you go. We're going to start on 34. What number are we going to stop on? Finn? 55 is in red. Okay, so you see 34 and 55. Okay, so let's go ahead and say our numbers out loud. And let's go ahead. Oh, where's my pen? Jeez, you never been this one. Okay, let's go ahead and say our numbers and color them in. Here we go. After 34 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now we go to Will. Very good. Go to the beginning of the next row. Let's say them out loud. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, where do we go after that? Where are we going, Finn?
51.
51. Again, the beginning of the next row. Here we go. 51, 52, 53, 54, and stop on 55. Very good. All right. Are you guys getting it? Again, always stay in that same row, and then go down to the next one. Okay, so number 4. What number are we starting on, Ben? How do we say this number? 79. And what number are we going to stop on, Valentina? 100. Okay, let's get going. After 79 is 80. Go down to the beginning of the next row. Let's say it out loud. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, counting, saying them out loud. Okay, number 5. What number are we starting on here, Victoria?
1.
Okay, and Dean, what are we going to stop on?
28.
You got it. All right, here we go. We have 1. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down to the next row. Hey, by the way, freeze, look up here. I do not want to see anybody doing this. Just coloring in the whole row. Are you counting each number with us? No, you're not. So don't do that, okay? That's the easy way to do it. I need to make sure you're not skipping any numbers right now. Ready? Start on 11. Let's count. Nice and loud. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, come on, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next row. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Excellent. You guys are doing great. All right, and then the last one, number 6 here. What number are we starting on? Caitlin, what's that number? Good. And what number are we going to stop on, Jenna?
76.
76. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. 56. Let's keep counting. 57, 58, 59, 60. Next row. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 70. Good. Next row. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Awesome. You guys are great. You're doing great. Okay. Lift and turn to the final page.
All the same thing. Yay.
Okay. It is time for you to do some on your own. Okay? Look up here. Look up here for directions first. Wait. Listen. Listening ears. You're going to do the same thing we just did. Start on the number that's in yellow. Don't keep coloring. Wait, stop when you get to the number in red. So start on 12 and then 33. Start on 63 and then 85. Start on 47 and then 64. When you're done, cram down so I can go over the last one with you. Okay? Get busy. Go ahead. You're done, cram down. Say those numbers in your head if that helps a little bit as well. Good work, guys. Okay, I see a lot of crayons down. Does that mean most of us are done? When your crayon is down, that's perfect. That lets me know without you shouting at me, right? that we are finished. Very good. Keep going if you're still working, that's totally fine. Take a break when you're done. Your little hands probably need a break when you're done.
Hey, I'm not little.
Oh, so sorry. Your big hands need a break. But be quiet, respectful. There's some kids still working and they're counting. They're busy counting and saying their numbers. Don't miss any rows. Some of us kind of skipped a row and you went down to the next row. You skipped a whole row, so be careful. That's why I like you guys to say your numbers as you're doing it, so you don't miss any. Okay. Yeah, be careful. Don't color any in after it. Okay, it looks like everyone's done. Good. Everyone got it? So everyone understood what they were doing?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, can you guys take your pencil in your hand, please? Okay, I've got a little bit of a problem over here. I've got some numbers missing. Do you know which numbers are missing? Do you know that special word I use for those numbers too? My what numbers? I wonder if anyone remembers it. Will? Very good. My decade numbers. So, after 59, what number would go here? Brayden? 58, 59. No, after the 50s, remember it starts with the 5. Look at that next row, it gives you a hint. 58, 59. 60, there you go. All right, so 60 is a 6 and a what? 6 and a? 0. Remember all those decade numbers? They all end with a 0. Okay, so put 60 in that box. So let's count by tens. These are my decade numbers, right? So 60, if I count by tens, what comes after 60? 60, I wish there were more hands in the air. My goodness, I think we know these answers. Ben? 60. If you're not sure, it's okay. Don't raise your hand if you don't know. Alina? 70. There you go. 70. So it's a 7 and a 0. 60. 70. Caitlin? 80. See the pattern? They all go up by 1, right? The 10 spot goes up by 1, but the 0 stays the same. 60, 70, 80. Victoria?
90.
90. You hear that 9 in the front, right? 90. And my last one is what, everyone?
100.
Very good. Okay. So again, it says, have the students write the numbers as they count by tens aloud, starting at the yellow box and ending at the red box. So here, guess what? We're just going to color in our numbers counting by tens. We're not going to do the rows. They want you to count by tens. So get your yellow crayon back out. Get it out. And now we're going to color in our decade numbers, starting with the yellow. So what number are we starting on? Raise your hand and tell me. Evelyn, what's this number that we're starting on in yellow? 60. So everyone, let's start. Ready? So 60 is already colored in, so let's go to the next one. 60, 70, colored in. After 70 is 80, colored in. After 80 is 90, and we're going to stop on 100. Got it. Very good. All right, make sense, everyone? Awesome. Now, technically, they didn't say we had to color it in, but it said to count by 10, so that's why we're just coloring it in, because then we're counting and saying. All right. Okay, so we're going to go right into homework, because I don't want to give you homework over the weekend. No, so flip your paper over, please, to find your name. No, that's not the homework. No, I can't check it tomorrow. Plus, on Monday, I don't want you to have homework over the weekend. That'd be silly. All right, flip your paper over.
We have Monday off?
No, we have Monday. We have, we're going to be here. Flip your paper over, guys, back to your name. So you go to the top. We'll be here on Monday. Name on top. Yes, Victoria.
After school, I'm going to my grandma's
Oh,
house.
man, that's fun.
And I'm having pizza.
Pizza. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna do the same thing. Keep that yellow crayon handy. Keep it handy. Get some baskets. I'll go back. All right. So unfortunately, I can't bring it up here. Okay, but I'm gonna talk you through it. All right. So number one. See what they did here in the example at the top? What they did is I'm going to give you a number. You're going to circle it. And then after that, we're going to start coloring in the boxes all the way up, and we're going to stop on the number in what color? Red. Yes, the number in red. Okay, so go down to number 1. Go down to number 1. In that hundreds chart, I need you to please draw a circle around the number 80. 80. What does 80 look like? Who can tell me? How do I make an 80? Jenna? 8 and a 0. Okay, so I'm going to put it up here so you guys can see it. Find the number 80 and circle it. Right down here in this first hundreds chart. Not up here. Right in down here. Circle 80. Circle 80. Nope, you didn't circle it. I said the first hundreds chart. Number 1. Over in number 1. Now hold on, I didn't see the color yet. You gotta wait. You have to wait. Okay, now we're gonna start. Where's your pencil? It's a circle of number 80. 80. Look in your decade numbers. They all end in 0, right? Look for 80. There you go. Okay, everyone has a circle. Thumbs up. We're good? You don't have a circle. Where's 80? Look in your decade numbers. That ends in 0, right? Circle 80. No, with your pencil. With your pencil. You're always going to circle it with your pencil. Okay? Now, we're going to keep counting. What number are we going to stop on? What number is in red in this first hundreds chart, Finn? 99. Okay? So start with counting with 80. Now, go down to the next row. Get your yellow crayon ready. What is the first number that we're going to color in, Caitlin? 81. Here we go. Let's say them out loud and let's color them. Ready? Color 81. Go down to the next row after 80. 81. Keep counting. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. Go down to the next row. 91. 92. 93. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And stop. Okay, got it? Yeah. Okay. All right, pencil back in your hand. Go to the next hundreds chart, number 2. I need you to find and circle. Alina, you're in the wrong one. Go over here. You're going to circle 80. You got the entirely wrong one. Draw a circle around the number 36. 36. At the beginning. We're still in number 1. Okay. Yep, so you got it. 80. And we'll start coloring in 81. Where's 81?
It's not going to be my decade number. It's going to be
After
after
81,
in the box.
right? Okay, 81. 32. Keep going. Yeah, keep going all the way to 99. So 30, what does it start with, guys? 36. Is right.
3.
Starts with a 3, right? And ends with a 6. And everyone circle it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got 36, then get your yellow crayon back in your hand. Okay, you're going to circle 36. That's with a 3. Find the row with 3s. No, find the row that starts with 3. 13, find the row that starts with 3. And then find it ends with a 6. 36, circle it. Okay, get your yellow crayon back in your hand. Now we're going to start coloring after that. Okay, after 36, we're going to start coloring our numbers. Let's say them out loud in color. Ready? What number are we going to stop on? Hold on, what number are we going to stop on? Jenna? Nope. 50. We're going to stop on 50. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's start counting after 36 comes. 37. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Go down to the next row, right? 42, 43,
44, 45, 46, 47, 48,
49, 50. Next row. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58.
50.
Ah, there you go. You gotta stop. Stop on 58. Good. All right, once you get there, flip your paper over. Okay, same thing on the back. Let me give you the number you're gonna start with.
Let's get our starting number.
Let me see if you guys can do the next one on your own. I'm gonna give you the starting number. Circle the number 50. Oh no, sorry. 22. 22. 22. Find it, circle it, and you may go ahead and get started coloring. 20. So it's, we're going to start with what? 20. No, get a pencil. You're going to circle that number. Circle the number 22. No, where's 22? Circle it. Okay, now start coloring after that. After 22, start coloring. 23, 24, keep going, and stop on
Good. And then you're gonna
44. Keep going. You guys do that on your own. See if you guys can do these ones. All right, crayon down when you're done. So I can give you the next number to start on.
Okay, now you're gonna color on. 1, 2, 2. Color all the way and stop on, you know, what number that is to stop on. Very good. All right, color it until done.
All right, pencil back in your hand then when you're ready. And I'll tell you what number to circle. Uh-oh.
I am so tired. Burning my hand.
Keep going for that whole row, bud. Okay. Some kids are still finishing up. Remember, don't skip any rows. Make sure you, when you're counting, find that next one. All right, number 4. I see a lot of you ready. And number 4, circle the number 51. 51. With your pencil, circle 51. That's your starting number. 51. Circle it with your pencil. Circle it with your pencil. 51. 51. 51. Where's 51? There you go, circle. 51. And then color after that. You're going to stop on, what's that decade number? 70. Very good. So start with 51. Start coloring after that. 52. 53. Say the numbers in your head. Keep counting. 58, 59, 60. 1, 62, 63. Okay. All right. All right, guys, listen. When you're done, we're going to stop right there. All right, because we have music. We're going to do the last 2 after music, okay? Because those ones are going to be a little different directions, okay?